Hi all my dear students, we have a great pleasure presenting to you Route to Success ebook. Now what is this Route to Success ebook is all about. What is the content of the ebook, how to use that, what is the cost of this ebook, how you can purchase this ebook, that all things we are going to discuss one by one. So without wasting the time, let's start. First we are going to discuss what is given in this ebook. Here all the important types, all the important formulae are given chapter wise in a specific format. Also, to solve some examples we require certain rules, laws, steps, and even sometimes we require some formulas from 11th standard also. That all you will get here. After discussing content of the Route to Success ebook, we are going to tell you how you can do study by using this ebook. Don't take to study all chapters at one time. Take one chapter at one time. In that also study type wise. Study first type and then examples based on that. After that second type and then examples based on that, and so on. Let's try to understand this with the help of example. For that, take first chapter, mathematical logic. These are the different types we have to study in this chapter. Now take the first type, identification of statements. To understand that, you have to study this table in which different types of sentences are given. After completion of study of that table, try to solve these examples based on that. Now, to better understand this method, take one more type, which is symbolic form of the statements. For this type, you have to see these logical connectives and their symbols. After that, try to solve these examples based on that. In this way, you can study with the help of this ebook. Now, the most important thing is the cost of this Route to Success ebook. We keep cost of this ebook very less so that maximum students can buy it. You can purchase this ebook at just rupees 20 only. Now we are going to explain how you can purchase this ebook. You have to pay rupees 20 on this mobile number through Paytm, PhonePe or Google Pay. Along with that, you must have to message your email ID. Email ID is very important. Without that, you cannot access this ebook. After getting both your payment and email ID, we will allow you to access the ebook through this link. This link is also provided in the description given below. It will be active within 1 day after completion of the payment and submission of your email ID. So we hope that you all will understand what is this Route to Success ebook, how you can use and purchase this ebook. We will hope that after doing study of this ebook, as explained before, you will not find difficulties while solving the examples in maths, and you can score maximum marks in maths. If you have any doubt, then you can contact us on 8082 this mobile number, or Route to Success 10@gmail.com this email ID. After completion of selling of first 100 copies of this ebook, we will provide you list of important theorems in maths free of cost. If you like this ebook, then tell to purchase this to at least 2 of your friends. Last but not the least, don't forget to like and share this video to at least 2 of your friends. Thank you for watching the video.